practice partial products when we've been multiplying by two-digit numbers. Today, we're going to just learn how to do the good old-fashioned two-digit algorithm for math. Again, algorithm is just a fancy word of just saying using arithmetic, using math, just using numbers to solve the problem. So here we go. We're going to try the problem 54 times 31. We're going to write it out like this, 54 times 31. Okay, so like what we were doing with our partial products, it's kind of putting this all together and kind of doing that in the background behind in our head instead of on our paper. So here, if I was kind of like, I'm going to be breaking this 31 into 30 plus 1. First, I'm going to pretend like that 3 is not even there, and I'm going to multiply 54 times a 1, like if I had this problem, 54 times 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. I multiplied the ones place times everything, all the places in the number above. Now I'm going to go to my tens place. Remember, this 3 in the tens place stands for 30. So I'm going to do 30 times 4 and 30 times the 5. Okay, and remember, because I'm multiplying by 30, my answer is going to end in a 0. So I'm going to put that 0 down already and just pretend like I'm multiplying by 3. 3 times 4, we always start at the ones in the upper number. 3 times 4 is 12. Regroup my 1. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 more is 6. Write that down. I'm going to add my two partial products together. So yesterday when we worked with partial products, we were still adding our two partial products together at the end, and we're still doing that now. So my product is 1,674. So 54 times 31 is 1,674. Let's try another example. Let's do 42 times 86. 42 times 86. Okay. So my first step is I'm going to multiply everything in my top factor by the ones in my bottom factor. Okay, so just like we were breaking up 80 plus 6, we're going to multiply 42 times 6. That's all we're doing. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 more is 25. Now I'm done with that 6. I'm going to multiply everything by the 8 in the tens place. And remember, this 8 in the tens place is really standing for 80. So my answer is going to end in 0. So I put that 0 down. My answer is going to start in my tens place. So I'm going to make sure that when I put my answer down, it's going in the tens and not in the ones. Put my 0 down already. 8 times 2. So now I'm just doing 80 times 42. Okay, just like when we did partial products and we did whatever number, the 80 times 42, we're going to do that now. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry my 1. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 more is 33. This is my second partial product. We're just going to add them together. 2 plus 0, 5 plus 6, 2 plus 3 and 1 more, and 3. So my product, my answer is 3,612. So 42 times 86, 3,612. We're going to do quite a few practice problems with this because there's a lot of steps to it. We're going to make sure we practice a lot for the next today and tomorrow.